And there may be some misguided Muslims who may be influenced by certain forces and may be killing some innocent human being. I'm not saying no. But the Quran says in Surah Ma'idah chapter number 5 verse number 32, if anyone kills any human being, if any Muslim kills any other human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, unless it be for murder or for spreading corruption in the land, it is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. And if anyone saves any human being, he saved the whole nation. The Quran says if any human being kills any other innocent human being, you have killed the whole of humanity. And if you have saved any other human being, you have saved the whole of the nation. There is no verse in any religious scripture beside the Quran which gives this statement. I am a student of comparative religion. There is no verse in the Bible, no verse in the Bhagavad Gita, or in the Ramayana, or Mahabharata, or in the Old Testament, or in the New Testament, which says that if you kill one human being, you have killed the whole of humanity. Or which says, if you have saved one human being, you have saved the whole of humanity. Nowhere.